Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are to learn algebra. Variable is unknown, the value is yet to be determined, and we usually use alphabets to represent a variable or an unknown. X, Y, A, B, and these alphabets just like a placeholder for unknown. On the other side, we have constant. So constant is just a fixed number and the value has been determined. So you know the value of 3, pi, and etc. And coefficient is a multiplier attached to your variable. Suppose I have 2x, and you see that there is no operation in between 2 and x. So we assume there is a multiplication sign in between the number and the variable, so 2 times x. And in shortcut, we can write 2x. And my question to you is 2 or x is the coefficient in this term? The answer is 2, because 2 is the multiplier attached to our variable x. Let's look at another example. You have minus 3 x, y, z, and you are to determine the coefficient in this term. You should have minus 3, because minus 3 is the number or the multiplier attached to your variables x, y, and z. Moving on, term is the combination of numbers and variables. 2x minus 4y, and so on. An expression is a math phrase made of numbers, variables, and operations, while an equation is an expression with an equal sign. Moving on, you have monomial. Monomial tells you one term. So 4x, y. Binomial tells you two terms. So each term is either separated by plus or minus sign. Trinomial tells you three terms. So you have three terms, is either being added or subtracted. Polynomial refers to two or more than two terms together. So binomial and trinomial, they are included in polynomial.